bigger circles for now. And Brayden, no, don't do that. Do this.
Yeah, like me and Andrea.
Scoot back, Brayden. Over here. Right, sit right here. Now the way you play is you're gonna walk around and you're gonna go duck, 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 and then when you want, and whoever you want to chase with, then you touch your head and say goose, and then you're gonna run around and they're gonna try and tag you, and you have to try and sit in their spot, but you have to run around the circle and then sit in their spot. You can't just sit right down. And if they tag you, that means you're it again. Ready? I'll be first. Duck, 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 goose! Come and get me! Ha ha ha! Now, you're it.
You just pulled my hair!
You gotta be careful. Haley, why don't you come sit right here? Now, if I sit in your spot, that means that you're it. Okay, Brayden, now you have to walk around in a circle and say duck, duck, and whoever you want to chase you, then you tell them goose. Now walk around.
Duck. Duck. Goose.
Sit down, Brayden. Sit down. Sit down. In Audrey's spot. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Oh!
You are back and you're back.
Duck, duck, silly duck, goofy duck, goose! Now walk around the circle. No, Haley, go this way. Go this way.
Hi, Stevie. Sit down.
Haley, sit down, bring the spot right there, right there. No, don't do that. Be nice.
Don't think you guys are quite getting duck, duck, goose.